Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stripe for LinkedIn coaching payments step by step clearly. Visit the Stripe website at stripe.com. Click on the Start Now or Sign Up button. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a secure password for your account. Click Create your Stripe account. Verify your email address through the confirmation email sent by Stripe. Log in to your newly created Stripe account. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Choose the type of business you operate, such as individual, company, or nonprofit. Fill out the required business information, including your business name and address. Provide details about your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and social security number. Enter your bank account information to receive payments. Click Submit to proceed with the application. After submission, Stripe will review your application. Once approved, you will receive a notification. Log back into your Stripe account. Access the Developers section on the left-hand menu. Find your API keys for integration purposes. Use the publishable key and secret key for your LinkedIn coaching platform. Integrate Stripe with your LinkedIn profile or website as necessary. Test the payment system to ensure everything functions properly. Start accepting payments for your LinkedIn coaching sessions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.